my baby was born. And sitting on his papa's knee, and me one girl that ain't gone, and the green grass growing over my feet. I ain't a hill, nor never will be, till the sweet apple grows on a sour apple tree. But still I hope the time will come when you and I shall be as one.
That's the Richmond-Lynchburg Stage Road, heading out of Appomattox, heading to the, would that be the east, out towards Richmond. Lee's army would have been just through those trees over to the bridge across the river. Walking east out of Appomattox, the Lynchburg-Richmond Stage Road, the modern day drive to Appomattox Courthouse turns to the right, but the original road, you can see the road trace goes down straight ahead to the left of that big tree, alongside of that bank there. That's the original road. We'll walk down a little further and take a look at it. Down over that hill and around those trees, the Richmond Stage Road eventually links up to the modern day road, which follows the original path. We'll walk up on this hill to the left, I'll show you. Way off in the distance, up on that hill, you can see the modern day road where it joins up with the road trace here that we just walked down.
Rides toward Farmville. Grant camps at Burkeville. Fighting erupts at Cumberland Church. Grant sends Lee a note asking for his surrender to avoid further bloodshed. Lee refuses, but asks Grant's terms. That night, Lee continues the retreat westward to secure supplies at Appomattox Station. Grant spends the night at Farmville. The Army of Northern Virginia, now numbering approximately 30,000, arrives at Appomattox Courthouse. 3 miles ahead, at Appomattox Station, supply trains await the Army. That evening, Sheridan's cavalry captures the trains and moves towards Appomattox Courthouse, blocking Lee's avenue of escape. Lee establishes his headquarters near Appomattox Courthouse and holds his last council of war. Grant rests at Clifton. On the morning of April 9th, the final battle begins. Surrounded by approximately 63,000 Federal soldiers, Lee agrees to meet with Grant. In the afternoon, General Lee surrenders to General Grant at the home of Wilmer McLean. ordered to have his lines form for the ceremony at sunrise on Wednesday morning, April 12, 1865. It was a gray, chilly day. The Union lines extended along both sides of the Richmond-Lynchburg stage road from the banks of the Appomattox River up and over the hill to a point near the McLean house. Some Union troops could see the Confederates across the river break camp and form ranks. They watched them march across the stream and up the hill toward the courthouse. General Chamberlain described the scene.
Instruction had been given, and when the head of each division column comes opposite our group, our bugle sounds the signal, and instantly our whole line, from right to left, regiment by regiment in succession, gives the soldier's salutation, from the order arms to the old carry, the marching salute. Gordon, at the head of the Confederate column, riding with heavy spirit and downcast face, catches the sound of shifting arms, looks up, and taking the meaning, wheels superbly, making with himself and his horse one uplifted figure with profound salutation as he drops the point of his sword to the boot toe. Then, facing to his own command, gives word for his successive brigades to pass us with the same position of the manual.